Did you know it also with a regular job you can make 1 million yearly? Or ever wondered how to turn your passion into $1 million paycheck? Well, today we're unlocking the secrets of 15 high-paying jobs that could earn you over $1 million a year. Stick around because your dream career might just be a click away. Hey there, welcome to Job Charisma. If you are the first time in my channel, my goal in this channel is to help you how find a path, change or growth in your career. Before diving into the topic of this video, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button to get more information similar to this topic of career development. First up, we have surgeons. They're like medical heroes. To become one, you need to study a lot, about 12 to 15 years. Saving lives is worth it, right? Now let's talk about future key points. To reach over 1 million, consider specializing in high-demand areas like neurosurgery. Experience and an unfair advantage is an unyielding focus on precision and patience. The ideal personality for this job is INTJ. Next, corporate lawyers. They're legal wizards. Study law for about 7 years after high school. Solving problems and reading lots of books is part of the job. The future key of them is to specialize in lucrative fields like mergers and acquisitions. Experience and an unfair advantage they need are sharp analytical skills and excellent communication. The ideal personality for this job is ENTJ. Now, investment bankers. They handle money, lots of it. Spend about 4 to 6 years in college after high school. To hit $1 million, specialize in areas like M&A. The experience they need is to start as an analyst. An unfair advantage is a love for numbers. The ideal personality for them is ESTP. Hedge fund managers are financial wizards. Spend 6 to 10 years gaining experience in finance after high school. For 1 million, become a quantitative analyst. Experience needs is master risk management. An unfair advantage for this job is a strong analytical mind, and the ideal personality job is INTP. Switching to tech now. Software developers create computer magic. Spend about 2 to 4 years gaining experience. For 1 million, become a senior developer. Experience needed is dive into coding challenges. An unfair advantage for this job is creativity in problem solving. And ideal personality is INFP. Aerospace engineers design cool stuff like planes and rockets. Spend 4 to 6 years studying after high school. To hit $1 million, specialize in cutting-edge technologies. Experience needed is working on big projects. An unfair advantage is attention to detail. The ideal personality for this job is ISTJ. Pharmacists are medicine experts. Spend 3 to 5 years in pharmacy practice after education. For 1 million, specialize in high-demand areas. Experience needed is working in diverse healthcare settings. An unfair advantage they should have is excellent attention to detail. The ideal personality is ISFJ. Petroleum engineers handle oil and gas. Spend 5 to 7 years gaining experience in petroleum engineering. To hit 1 million, specialize in advanced extraction methods. Experience needed to work on major drilling projects. Unfair advantage needs is innovative problem solving. The ideal personality for this job is ESTJ. Dentists keep our smiles bright. Spend 3 to 5 years in dental practice after education. For 1 million, specialize in high-end cosmetic dentistry. Experience needs is treat diverse cases. An unfair advantage is empathy and interpersonal skills. The ideal personality for this job is ENFJ. Actuaries manage financial risks. Spend 2 to 4 years gaining experience in actuarial work. To hit 1 million, specialize in areas like insurance. Experience needed is navigating complex financial models. An unfair advantage is analytical prowess. The ideal personality for this job is INFJ. Real estate developers create the spaces we live in. Spend 5 to 8 years gaining experience in real estate development. For $1 million, specialize in high-end residential projects. Experience needed is navigating the real estate market. The unfair advantage they should have is visionary thinking. The ideal personality for this job is ENFP. Data scientists unlock insights from data. Spend 3 to 5 years gaining experience. To hit $1 million, specialize in machine learning. Experience needed is solving complex data problems. An unfair advantage they must have is curiosity and logical thinking. The ideal personality for this job is ISTP. Veterinarians care for our furry friends. Spend 6 to 8 years gaining experience in veterinary practice. For 1 million, specializing in exotic animals. Experience the need is work in diverse veterinary settings. Unfair advantages are compassion and resilience. The ideal personality for this job is ISFP. Now, let's talk about professional athletes. They're the sports superstars we cheer for. To become a professional athlete, it's all about practice and talent. Education is important too, but it's more about dedicating yourself to your sport. Many athletes start training in their chosen sport from young age, and as they get better, they might join school or college teams. If you have a natural talent and a passion for sports, you might just become the next big sports sensation. To reach over 1 million, consider excelling in high-profile leagues and tournaments. Experience in competitive sports at the highest level is crucial. An unfair advantage would be an exceptional work ethic, resilience, and the ability to perform under pressure. The ideal MBTI is ESFP. Last but not least, we have entertainment executives. They're the creative minds behind movies, music, and TV shows. To become one, you'll need a mix of education and experience. After high school, you'll spend about 6 to 8 years working your way up. You might start by going to film school or working in the industry, learning the ropes. If you're passionate about storytelling and love the spotlight, the entertainment industry might be calling your name. To reach over 1 million, consider specializing in high-budget productions and successful projects. Networking in the industry is crucial for career advancement. Experience in various roles within the entertainment field is beneficial. An unfair advantage would be creativity, vision, and excellent interpersonal skills. The ideal MBTI is ENFJ. And there you have it, 15 high-paying jobs simplified. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about finding your passion. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more career insights. Thanks for joining us today.